This is a capping machine. It features great flexibility and scalability. It can be put into any capping production line. Also, it adopts 4 rubber wheels for capping, which is suitable for various screw caps. It is widely used in the food, daily chemical, and cosmetics industries.